Hi there and welcome. I'm Zulkar Naim, and I'm so glad you're here. Today we're talking about something that impacts every single one of us, personal finance. Let's get into it. Let me tell you something. A budget is your best friend. It's not about restricting yourself, it's about being the boss of your own money. Think of it like a roadmap to your financial goals. Now, one popular method I love is the 50/30/20 rule. It's simple. 50% of your income goes straight to your needs, essentials like rent, groceries, and utilities. Then, 30% goes to your wants, dining out, hobbies, that new gadget. Finally, 20% goes to savings or tackling any debt you might have. Track every dollar you spend for 1 month using a notebook, spreadsheet, or an app like Mint or YNAB. Knowledge is power. Once you see where your money is going, you can start making intentional decisions about where you want it to go instead. Let's face it, life throws curveballs when you least expect it. That's why you need an emergency fund. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of essential expenses in a safe and accessible account. Start small, even if it's just $50 or $100 a month. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account. An emergency fund isn't about deprivation, it's about peace of mind. Debt. That word alone can send chills down your spine. But listen, it doesn't have to be a life sentence. Focus on high-interest debts first, usually credit cards. There are two main strategies, the debt avalanche and the debt snowball. The debt avalanche targets the debt with the highest interest rate first, saving you the most money in interest over time. The debt snowball lists your debts from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. You attack the smallest one first, building momentum and staying motivated. Choose the strategy that best suits your personality and goals. Always make at least the minimum payments on all your debts to avoid late fees and penalties. Facing a mountain of debt can feel overwhelming, but with a plan and commitment, you can conquer your debt. Trust me, you can come out stronger on the other side. Chapter 4. Saving and investing. Make your money work for you. Saving is great, but investing, now that's where your money really starts working for you. First, make sure you have a high-yield savings account for your short-term goals, and that emergency fund. For long-term goals like retirement, invest in the stock market. If your employer offers a 401k plan, take advantage of it, especially if they match your contributions. That's free money. No 401k? Look into opening an IRA, either traditional or Roth. When it comes to investing, keep it simple and low cost with index funds or ETFs. The key to successful investing is to start early and be consistent. Thanks to compound interest, even small amounts can grow significantly over time. Investing isn't just for the wealthy, it's for anyone who wants to build a secure financial future. Chapter 5. Credit score. Your financial reputation. Your credit score, it's like your financial report card. A good credit score can save you thousands of dollars in interest on loans and credit cards. Pay your bills on time, every time. Payment history is the most important factor in your credit score. Keep your credit card balances low, ideally under 30% of your credit limit. Don't open too many credit cards at once. Check your credit report regularly for any errors or inaccuracies. You can get a free copy from each of the 3 major credit bureaus once a year at annualcreditreport.com. Treat your credit score well, and it will open doors to better interest rates, loan terms, and even job opportunities. Chapter 6. Setting financial goals. Your dreams within reach. Money is just a tool, a resource. What do you want it to do for you? Define your goals, write them down, make them specific, and give them a deadline. Break them down into smaller, more manageable steps. Set a realistic timeline and a monthly savings target for each goal. Track your progress and celebrate your small wins along the way. Having clear financial goals makes budgeting and saving feel less like a chore and more like an investment in your future. It's not just about saying no to things today, it's about saying yes to the life you want to live tomorrow. Take control of your money and your future. Managing your money doesn't require being perfect, it just takes being intentional. Start with one habit. Track your spending, start an emergency fund, or set a goal. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, share it with someone you care about, and remember, you're in control of your money, and your future self will thank you.